Friends, welcome to Stocks in Uptrend. Today we will talk of momentum trading. Momentum, as you know, is key to earnings in the stock market. A popular strategy in the stock market where traders aim to capitalize on continuance of existing trend in the price of stock. Share market profits are possible in momentum trade. Traders can make money in continuance of existing trend in the price of stock. If the trend is up, especially with the volume, it can indicate future price rise in the stock. So move with the trend. It is very important. Increase your capital in momentum trade. The key principles of momentum trading is price movement as an indicator of future movement. Use of volume to confirm momentum. Friends, I must tell you one thing here, that price always follows the volume. So if the volume is high, at the same time the price is rising, it is confirming that momentum trend. And importance of volatility also traders should not forget, because maximum money is in the volatile market only. Trader can make high profits if the trader chooses to move smartly and follows the momentum trading strategies like breakout trading, pullback trading, sector momentum trading, and high beta stock trading. Friends, high beta stock trading means you are trading in the stocks which are moving faster than the benchmark indices. Any stocks in India, any stocks which has faster movement than NSE is considered as high beta stock, like ICICI Bank or HDFC Bank. Some sectors like pharma sectors, defense sectors, IT sectors, financial sectors, a trader can choose to do momentum trading in those sectors where momentum is high. Let us now check out on breakout trading and pullback trading. A brilliant move can be captured if a trader enters when there is a price breakout. Price breakout is always by using two things. One is the support and resistances, and another level is moving average crossover. You can see here actually this has given an indication that there is going to be a price change, because there are one doji and one spinning top, and this is the crossover, and you see the journey actually has started. Here we are using the moving average also. Moving averages, standard moving averages, I have taken off 10 and 15, and friends, you can see what a brilliant move of the stock. You know, the crossover is given here, and the rally is continuing. Rally in the stock is continuing indefinitely, and you can indefinitely. So the breakout strategy works exceedingly well in the momentum trade. Choosing of moving average depends upon person to person. Pullback strategy breaks the barrier always. This means the share actually is in the uptrend. As you can see here, the trend is actually up, but there are minor corrections in the trend. So what happens is, every time there is a correction, you sell here and again you buy here, again you sell here and again you buy here. You will find that pullback strategy gives you a return which is several times in a month, could be several times in a month. And this pullback strategy, friends, I must tell you, works in high beta stocks exceedingly well. A trader can make huge profits with pullback strategy. So learn the strategy, apply the strategy, and make tremendous cash in stock market. Now there are some risk management needs to be done in the momentum trading. As I have said, momentum trading is a very high rewarding trade always. So with a high reward you come with a high risk also, and therefore setting a stop loss actually is a must, and this can be always confirmed with the technical charts, here you can see there is a buy which is indicated here, and this stop loss is actually here. Friends, you can actually, this is giving top 1, top 2. Actually, this is a great thing that before actually the stock collapsed, you have already come out. So stop loss actually is a must. Then a trader must have habit of managing the portfolio. It will be a very, very right move. It is a right decision to diverse portfolio and not depend on one stock only. Managing leverage in the momentum trades, friends, whenever you find that your buying position is very huge, you must always think of booking profits. And if you have taken a leverage position, then also, friends, you must be very, very careful, because leverages can be very, very risky. Pros and cons of momentum trading. Friends, I always believe that a trader must be very clever in making right moves at the right time. So advantages could be potential high returns. You can see high returns, and it is a very simple decision to be taken. A trader has to take decision on moving average crossover together with support and resistance. This is actually the best thing that could ever happen. Now, moving averages actually never lie. So when you combine these two, the advantage of high returns in momentum trading is very, very high. Your stock will be full of energy if it is in the uptrend. But the challenges at the same time could be the higher transaction cost. Vulnerability to whipsaws. Whipsaws means that there is a false signal. But friends, when you move with the right indicators like moving averages, RSI, at the same time you take care of MACD, then it is quite unlikely that trader will make loss or there will be whipsaws. So follow the discipline of the market and then trade effectively into the stock market. As I have said, more money in momentum, and but don't over trade. Follow the discipline, move with the crossover, move with the support and resistances. You will make tons of money. But there are some behavioral biases also in the momentum trading, and a trader always feels, oh, I have missed out on the grand opportunity of buying or selling. Now this actually generally happens, but as a disciplined like a trader must be disciplined like a soldier and always move in the right direction. The right direction means whenever there is a buy signal, buy the stock. Whenever there is a sell signal, sell the stocks, and never be overconfident that price will move this way and that way. Friends, as far as trading is concerned, it is more important to protect the loss rather than winning every game. Then sometimes what happens is that people think, I have lost the chance. Oh, I made a mistake. My decision was wrong. Yes, this happens in the share market, but nevertheless, as long as you are in the trade, these things are definitely exist, but you have to make a smart move always, act at the right time. Momentum trading we have seen, friends. I thank you very much that you are with me for some time. Let us make money together in the stock market, and believe me, in swing trading, momentum trading and swing trading, they are the beautiful combination in the share market where a person can make a lot of money. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.